Subscribe all world general knowledge channel. Press bell icon for watch my all general knowledge videos. Who is the father of computer science? Correct answer option A. Alan Turing. Who has invented the world's first program controlled computer? Correct answer option B. Konrad Zuse. In the field of computing, what does ENIAC stands for? Correct answer option B. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Who is internationally recognized as a father of modern digital computer? Correct answer option A. Gareth Davis. Which one of the following person has produced the first portable computer? Correct answer option D. Adam Osborne. Who is the father of supercomputer? Correct answer option A. Seymour Cray. Which of the following company is known as Big Blue? Correct answer option A. IBM. Parampadam is dash. Correct answer option A. An indigenously built supercomputer. Which type of computer could be found in a digital watch? Correct answer option D. Embedded computer. Who designed the first and long computer in India? Correct answer option A. Samarendra Kumar Mitra. The computer's processor consists which of the following parts? Correct answer option C. Main memory and storage. Which one among the following is the top processor of the computer in the world? Correct answer option A. Intel. In a computer, which unit is responsible for processing data is also called the electronic brain of the computer? Correct answer option C. Central processing unit. Which one of the following consists the different parts of the computer which is usually made up of wires? Correct answer option C. Buses. An example of an input device is dash. Correct answer option D. Webcam. Why is the caps lock referred to as a toggle key? Correct answer option D. Because its function goes back and forth every time it is pressed. Which device is used as a standard pointing device in a graphical user environment? Correct answer option B. Mouse. Which of the following invented the television video games? Correct answer option A. Ralph H. Baer. Which of the following is the most common picking device of the graphical application? Correct answer option D. Light pen. What is the purpose of the webcam? Correct answer option B. To act as an input device. Which one of the following is used to sense the movement of the stick of joystick? Correct answer option B. Potentiometer. Which of the following converts analog information into digital form? Correct answer option C. Digitizer. Trackball is which of the following devices? Correct answer option D. Input device. Which of the following groups have only output devices? Correct answer option D. Plotter, printer, monitor. Which one of the following printers is known as non-impact printer in general? Correct answer option D. Laser printer. Which of the following person is the pioneer in development of the computer graphics? Correct answer option A. Ivan Sutherland. Which one of the following memories is not the primary memory of a computer? Correct answer option D. CD-ROM. Which one of the following memories is not non-volatile computer memory? Correct answer option B. SRAM. Which is the following is a type of memory and is similar to RAM? Correct answer option C. Sachet. As compared to a magnetic type, the main advantage of magnetic disk is correct answer option B, direct access. An operating system is dash. Correct answer option B, system software. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the correct answer option D, operating system. The operating system called UNIX is typically used for correct answer option A, desktop computer. Which is the programming tool in UNIX? Correct answer option B, kernel. Linux is dash. Correct answer option A, an operating system. Mac operating system is developed by which company? Correct answer option B, Apple. Dash among the following is not a operating system. Correct answer option A, Mozilla Firefox. Which is not an operating system? Correct answer option B, MS Word. Windows operating system is based on correct answer option D, multitasking. Which one programming language is exclusively used for artificial intelligence? Correct answer option D, Prolog. Which one of the following language is not the scripting language? Correct answer option D, Lisp. Which one of the following language is not the third generation programming language? Correct answer option D, MATLAB. Which one of the following has developed the C language for the computer for the first time? Correct answer option C, Dennis Ritchell. In which year did the JavaScript programming language came into existence? Correct answer option A, 1995. In C++ function overloading is done at. Correct answer option A, compile time. Which of the following is a graphical package? Correct answer option A, CorelDRAW. What is the function of the Microsoft Office Word? Correct answer option C, a word processing software. Which of the following command is used in MS Word to underline the statement? Correct answer option B, U. An Excel workbook is a collection of. Correct answer option B, worksheets.